Hey guys, and welcome to Learn How to Dance, where you can find dance tutorials of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, popular dance moves, and other awesome dances. So today we're going to do a dance tutorial on how to do the clap form TikTok dance. It's short and simple, and I love it. Okay, so let's just dive right into it. The first thing you're gonna learn is this one. Boom, 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 boom. All right, now let me break it down for you. So your arms wanna go in opposite directions like that, all right? So they wanna go up. Your right is going up from in here. Your left is coming up from out here, right? And now they wanna switch positions like that. Now the right is in the front, the left one is here in the back, just right in front of your chest, all right? So they went from here. Ooh, switch, boom. All right, that's the first one. The next one, again, up, switch places. All right, so the first two moves are up, boom, back up, boom. All right, Karate Kid. Just try it with me. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna try 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, boom, up, boom. All right, now from here, what you want to do is boom, boom. Here you want to say up, here. All right, so now the right is in front of my left, and they're doing this cross plus thing. All right, and then from here, pretty simple. You just lift them up, move it to the other side. All right, from here, from right to left. All right, so when you combine it all together from the tip to top, it's going to be like this. Boom, switch, and boom, and boom. Okay, just try it with me. We're gonna go slow. 5, 6, 7, 8, and boom. Switch, boom. Up one side and left side. All right, try it with me one more time, a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, and boom, 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 boom. Hey guys. I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Okay, feel free to practice some more if you need to, but if you're ready to move on, let's move on. Okay, so let me just show you what we're about to learn here. Right after boom, 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 boom here, it's boom, and way, ha. Now, let me explain. So, right after this, what you want to do is bring your arms out. This is a small prep before we go. Hit here, stop, and then you go back around, down. All right, now from here, you want to bring the right, continuous here, you want to hit a wall here to your right, and then you can stop, but then you just go another way here, you open up, circle the motion down here, whoop, and then from here, what you want to do is kind of say, hi-ya on your hip, and that is activating your hip, yeah, moving it around here. Okay, so let me just show you again. We're here, prep, boom, around, keep the right going, up, hit to your right, go around before you say prep, and then whoa. So let's just try and practice that. 5, 6, 7, 8, and boom. Around, keep the right going, boom, around, and hit, yeah. Let's just try one last time, a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, and right, around, and hip, here, here. All right, moving on to my favorite part, which is this clapping sound part, all right? So let me just quickly show you, it's ka, 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 ka. All right, let's just stop it there. So let me explain. You want to go clap to your left, clap to your right, and then you want to go finished. All right, let me just show you to the front here. That's what I'm doing. Boom, boom. All right, let's just try that. We're gonna go ba, 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 ba. 5, 6, 7, 8, ba, 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 ba. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, ba, 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 ba. All right, so from here you want to say right, left, right, left. Let's just try that. From here, right, left, right, left. 5, 6, 7, 8, right, left, right, left. Bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, left. Now let's try and combine it with the first section here. So we want to do ba 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 ba. Let's try that a bit slower. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ba 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 ba. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ba 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 ba. One last time, a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ba 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 ba. All right. Now from here you want to go crack. Yeah. So you're just bringing your elbows down, and then from here you just want to say, put your arms, yeah, one on top of the other like that, and getting ready to do this. All right. So you know what? Let's just do the whole arms part. So ba 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 ba. Okay. Let's do it a bit slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ba 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 ba. Okay. Bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ba 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 ba. One last time. Faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ba 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 ba. All right. Now the last move is this. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right. So basically, what I'm doing, I'm trying to move my head from side to side, shake, 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 and at the same time, I also wanna do this leaning motion. Yeah. So I'm just leaning to the front, back, front. Basically, this is what I'm doing. Boom, and my arms are going up here. Open up when I lean, bring it back, boom, and then add the shake, 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 shake. Yeah, you just want to do one of those. Whoa, back. All right, guys, time to do it all the way from the tip to top. I'm just gonna do a quick recap, and then we're gonna practice, okay? So, quick recap from the tip to top. It goes boom, 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 around, hey, and clap, 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 and a. All right, time to practice. We're gonna go slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, 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 and and clap, 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 clap. Boom, boom, 8. Now a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, 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 and clap, 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 and All right, let's try that a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, 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 boom. Clap, boom, pa, 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 pa. Wait, and then a ba, ba, a. Okay, guys, that was it for this platform TikTok dance tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. Alright, thank you guys so much, and until next time.